We guide you through how to make your iPhone screen never turn off so your display stays on as long as you want. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Find the option called Auto Lock, which controls how long your screen stays on. Tap it, and you'll see different time options. Select Never. This immediately prevents your iPhone from turning off automatically. If your iPhone still doesn't allow Never, it's likely because low power mode is turned on. So, go back to Settings, tap Battery, and switch off low power mode. Then, return to Auto Lock and choose Never again. Once this is set, your iPhone screen will stay on until you manually press the power button to lock it. This is useful for reading, navigation, or monitoring apps, but just remember it can drain your battery faster. So, keep your phone charged when using this feature.